Hello and welcome to this Google support video where I'm going to show you the basics of Keep. So first, how to find Keep, because here I'm already on the Keep document. If you go on any of the Google apps, you can go to the waffle and then click on More and click on Keep. So Keep is there actually to keep, no pun intended, but different notes or reminders that you want for your day. So it can be notes that you take during a meeting if you don't want to use docs, and if you want, you can set those notes as reminder if you want to perform an action. So to start a note, you just start actually typing, and it will create a text note. But if I go back to the beginning, as you can see, you can decide to make it a list if it's different tasks that you want to do. You can decide to make a new note with a drawing or a new note with a picture. The good thing about doing some task here is that if you go to any other application like calendar or to your Gmail account, you can click here, and in Keep you will see all the notes that you have. So if it's a list of things, you can have the task right next to your Gmail account. So here I decided to create a list. So let's say do this, that, feed the dog, and etc. So once I've done this, I can decide that I want to do all this action by a certain date. In order to do so, I click on Remind Me, and then you can decide directly later for today, for tomorrow, next week, or actually I want to pick a specific date and time or a specific place also. Let's put here that I want a reminder for January 9th at 3 o'clock, and I don't want to repeat it. So once I click on save, if I go to my calendar and I go to January 9th, I can see here directly the keep note, and I can mark the action as done once I've done it. Okay, there you go. Other things that you can do with this note, you can add some collaborators if you want to be several people to work on this note, and you want to share it with somebody, or is a task that you want to assign to someone. You can change the color of the background. Here I'm going to put it in blue. You can add a picture. You can archive it if you are done with it, or put it in the trash by just clicking on More and Delete. Or you can add a label if you want to put them in different categories, add a drawing, make a copy if you want to every time the same type of notes. Here, since I put some checkbox, if I want to put them in the text again, I just click on Hide Checkbox, and it becomes a text. And I can copy to Google Docs. Copy to Google Docs is good if you decided to start a meeting notes here in Keep, but you prefer then to have all the benefits of using dots. You can copy it to Google Docs, and it will create a new Docs document, and you can keep on working that way. So there you go. That's it for the basics of Google Keeps. Later on, we'll put some more advanced tools that you can use. In the meantime, if you have any other questions or you need our support, don't hesitate to get in touch. And I wish you a very nice day. Thank you.